We've been searching for decades, but we've always looked through the narrowest of keyholes, limiting ourselves to predictable bandwidths.
The universe is vast, and the sheer volume of potential signal space is truly paralyzing.
From this facility, we will launch the future. A future where every corner of the globe is connected, powered by the technology you see behind me. In here, we're not just building satellites.
Look, if we factor in the wobble, the transit lines up perfectly.
Yes, Maya, that confirms it. It has to be artificial. I think you've just solved the energy crisis.
We still need to verify the quantum entanglement calculations.
The ethical considerations are paramount. If we find life, we must ask ourselves, what is our moral obligation to it? The archives presented a narrative that was, shall we say, incomplete.
Dr. Thorne, I'm getting a pattern on the C-band. It's stable.
Are you sure about this, Kenji? Run the verification again.
I see the drop in connectivity. We are pushing the patch through the Australian ground station. It should stabilize in T-minus 30 seconds.
We're tracking an anomaly in Sector 7.
Pull up the diagnostics.
The patterns here, the consistency across the EM spectrum, it defies any known astrophysical phenomenon.
While there are unconfirmed reports circulating among certain channels, we maintain a position of cautious observation.
We are committed to full transparency once verifiable data is available, but currently, speculation does not serve.
We are receiving confirmation that the signal is real. Authorities are urging calm, but the markets are colliding on the signal story.
We need confirmation on the satellite imagery now.
Hold the front page, the feed is breaking up.
The immediate societal impact of this discovery isn't purely technological, it's profoundly psychological.
We must now confront the ethical dimensions that ripple far beyond the lab, touching on policy, economics.
The ethical implications of responding are astronomical, Evelyn. We can't predict the consequences.
And ignoring it carries...
We cannot ignore the ethical ramifications of this discovery.
I'm not ignoring them, Evelyn. I'm simply weighing them against the potential benefits.
The presence of liquid water and a stable atmosphere are critical initial indicators.
But true habitability requires far more than just surface temperature.
Look at what we have built here. This rocket represents not just the pinnacle of engineering, but the dawn of a new age for all of us. We can reach for the stars. We have to reach for the stars, and the time is now.
Looking down on our world from this distance, it becomes undeniably clear that our differences are trivial.
This resolution is completely unacceptable. We cannot agree to these terms.
We must find a middle ground, Ambassador.
We must consider the long-term implications of this resolution on global trade and diplomatic relations.
This fire is the heartbeat of the earth, just as the stars are the heartbeat of the sky.
Signal isn't random noise, it's modulated. Are you certain?
The algorithms are holding steady on the frequency.
When faced with the existential, are we capable of forming a truly unified planetary response?
The cryosystem defense grid is failing. We must reroute the Third Fleet immediately, or risk losing the sector entirely.
We've analyzed the alien vessel's trajectory.
The energy signature is increasing exponentially.
Confirming stable translation matrix on Sector Gamma.
We've been looking for static, but it's poetry.
Gentlemen, the chaos is over. We now face a choice: unity or annihilation.
If this new development proves true, our strategies must evolve beyond geopolitics.
The concept of cosmic humility is not about insignificance. It's about proportion.
This forces a necessary reevaluation of our place, shifting focus from self-importance.
Many hear the words, but few truly listen to the silence between them.
Here we see the full scope of the TRAPPIST-1 system. The orbital resonance between the inner planets is key to understanding their stability. I think we finally found it. The signal is coming from this gaseous ring.
as our cyst. As an astrobiologist, I study the possibilities of life elsewhere. But as an ethicist,
The trajectory is stable. If these projections hold, we change everything by dawn.
The real magic isn't in the stars we find. It's in the steel and sweat that let us look for them in the first place.
If we correlate the spectral data here, the probability of a technosignature increases significantly.
Does this account for the stellar flare activity?
Exactly. That's why the K-index is crucial here. Okay, everyone, if you look closely, you'll see the Andromeda Galaxy. It's truly a sight to behold.
The challenge we face is unprecedented. How do we craft a single, unified message from all of humanity?
It requires consensus not just across nations, but across cultures, histories, and fears.
We've come so far. Looking down, you see.
the greatest discovery isn't finding life elsewhere, but realizing the profound responsibility of protecting the life we have here, now.
But to truly understand its impact, we have to look at the social structures of the time.
The conversation has begun.